Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In today's video, we're diving into a fundamental concept that every data professional must understand: pseudorandom number generation in Python with NumPy. This is essential in simulations, modeling, machine learning, and data sampling. Let's get started. What is pseudorandom number generation? Random numbers in programming aren't truly random, they're pseudorandom. They are generated by algorithms that produce sequences of numbers based on an initial value called a seed. If you use the same seed, you get the same sequence every time, which is great for reproducibility in data science projects. This helps you test and debug your models with consistent results. NumPy vs Python's random module. Python's built-in random module is useful but slow for large data sets. It generates one value at a time. NumPy's random module, however, can generate entire arrays of random values in a single line, making it much faster and more efficient for data professionals. Code benchmark: from random import normal variate import NumPy as np-python random %time@ samples equals normal variate 01 for underscore in range 1 million hash NumPy random %time@ samples equals np-random.normal size equals 1,000,000. As you can see, NumPy is 20 to 30x faster when generating large data sets. Generating random arrays. Let's now see how to generate random data using NumPy. 4x4 array from a normal distribution samples equals np-random.normal size equals 44 print samples. This gives you a 4x4 matrix of values drawn from a standard normal distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. Random integers in a range np-random.randint 10, 50 size equals 3, 3. This creates a 3x3 array of integers between 10 and 49. Setting a seed for reproducibility. To get repeatable results, we set a random seed using np-random.seed. np-random.seed 123 print np-random.rand 3. Every time you run this, you'll get the same output, which is super useful in ML experiments. Using random state for isolation to avoid global state, especially in large projects, use random state to create an independent random number generator. RNG equals np-random random state 42 print rung randn 5. This helps you keep different parts of your code isolated while still using randomness. Key NumPy random functions. Here's a quick look at commonly used random generation functions in NumPy. Function description rand, uniform distribution over 0,1 randint, random integers within a range normal, Gaussian distribution binomial, binomial distribution beta, beta distribution shuffle, in place random shuffling permutation, return a permuted copy of a sequence. Example: ARR equals np arrange 10, np random shuffle, ARR print, ARR. That's it. Pseudorandom number generation is truly the backbone of simulations, data sampling, and machine learning training. With NumPy's random module, you can generate random data that's fast, efficient, flexible, and reproducible, a critical skill for any data-driven project. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.